Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to teach you a way in which you can automate your WhatsApp messages so that you can free time to either rest or do other things. Make sure you watch this video to the end because at the end, I'm going to give you a free gift that is going to help you to make even more money using WhatsApp. If you're a business person, I can understand how overwhelming it can be with you having all those messages coming in and you are maybe busy or unable to reply everybody. Now, I am a business person too, and most often I do my business while riding. You know very well that it is very risky to reply people on a bike, and also it is very unprofessional to keep customers waiting in your DM without getting a reply. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a completely free application that you can use to automate your WhatsApp messaging and make more money with WhatsApp marketing. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video for today.
Okay, guys. Now, when you want to consider WhatsApp automation, what you do first of all is you need to have in your mind a particular way that you want your conversation to start and proceed with a customer who comes into your DM, maybe from a Facebook ad or maybe an ad on your status you get. Now, when you're running ads, you need a link which is called a custom WhatsApp link where customers will just click and it will lead them directly into your WhatsApp DM. Now, where the bot, or we call it an autoresponder, is going to pick up and respond to them. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to get your custom WhatsApp link, and we are going to get the first message, yes, that your customers are going to send to your DM to initiate your conversation. Now, let's head over to Google to this website called wa.me.link. When you're there, you click on this first one. Then you scroll down. You put your phone number, 678. Okay, then you're going to put a certain message. Now, that message I had already clicked it. Now, let's say you're selling bags. Yes, you're selling bags, for example. What did I say? Hello, sir. I'm interested in one of the bags you advertised on Facebook. Precisely, I need the black one. My name is. Now, I usually like to include this part for name, so that when a customer comes into your DM, it prompts them to write their name. And when you come now, you are going to do what? You're going to save their contact, right? So once you've done that, you scroll down and click on generate link. Click on generate link and then you copy. Now, if I go somewhere and I click this link and I paste this link, for example, this is it. You have written your ad copy and what, and you have included this link there. When a customer clicks, you see, this is the message that comes, right? Yes, this is the message that comes. So, when you must have done that, you already have your link. Now, you need to get the app. You just head to Play Store and you look for Auto Chatbot. Auto Reply Chatbot. Yes. If you look here, you see it's installed already at somewhere around the center of my screen here. You see, this is it. Now, you get the app. You get the app. Now, let me delete this. When you have come in, you need to turn this on and turn this on. Then you go to your phone settings and make sure that you grant access to notification to this app. When you must have done that, you just head to click on this plus sign. Now it starts with prompting you which type of WhatsApp you want to use. If you have the official WhatsApp, you use it. If you have the business WhatsApp, you use it. Now, received message is going to be that one that they are going to send to you, right? Now, you go down here, they say all exact content and the rest. Now, I usually like to take content, because if you take all or exact match, it means that this message like this, if a customer comes in and alters it even a bit, you will not, he or she will not get a reply. So you put contain in such a way that if a message comes that contains a bulk or majority of this your preset message, they are going to receive their reply. Now you set a reply message. When somebody has sent this message to you, when they have sent this message to you, what next? What is your autoresponder going to tell them? I had already set a reply to, and we say, thanks for contacting XYZ brand. I'm happy to serve. The black bag is available and can be delivered to you. What's your address? If you want to add another reply, which is what I usually like to do, you can add what do we write there? Okay, please remember to save my contact as XYZ shopping, for example. Then you proceed. Every other thing here, you leave it open. Now, when you see multiple replies, this multiple replies is going to only apply where you put more than one reply in this reply side, right? I have two messages there. So if you choose just one, know that it's going to send only one of the replies. And if you choose random, it's going to choose whether it's sending the first or the second message or the third, depending on how many you put. So in this case, you just put all, since you have put more than one reply. Delay in seconds. Delay in seconds just mean when a customer has sent you this message into your DM, how long should it take for the reply to come up? You get. So it's good that you allow it either at 0 seconds or 1 second. Yes. If you leave it to too long and a customer leaves your chat, you go to another one, they might be distracted and they will not come back. So I don't like it to just come in quite immediately, but let it not also delay. So I put 1 and I put 1 second. Apart from that, every other thing is okay. Every other thing should be okay. And now you just click on this tick here. Remember that you are using the free version, so you have ads. Message row saved successfully. And so that is it. Now we could still decide to add something. When they have saved your number, what do you want them to do? They can send a reply like save, like contact saved, sir. When that is done, let's just say, for example, you promise them a free gift. Now, before we even get here, let me just say something here and save this row. Let me show you exactly what I want. Now, this is the first row that we made. Now, this is what this message is. Now, what do we do here? You could add here, because sometimes when I run ads, I like to put some giveaway. I need to put a free gift that is going to attract customers into my DM. So you can say, when you have saved contact, please reply contact saved to claim your gift. Then I save. Okay, let's go now to this one that we were working on. Contact saved. Yes, contact saved, right? Good. So we can reply, great. I have saved yours too. Or you can say, I will save yours too. Click the link below to claim your gift. Now you put the link there, right? And then you save. Let's say .com. That looks now like like a link. Yes. Then you save. Now when you are done, you test on the app here to see if it works. Now look down here, you're going to see test row. Here you like to write anything, and then you come here and put that our previous message and see. You see, replies have come, right? Remember to save contact. When you are done, what do you say? You say contact saved. Let's see if we are going to have a reply. You see, that is it. Let's write contact save without D and see if it's going to reply. You see, that means the customer have to be very exact. Contact save, immediately you get a reply. So that is just how easy it is, guys. If you have any issues at all, you can just comment and then I'll get it sorted out. All right, now what I'll do is I'll use my other phone. I'll use my other phone to send this message to and see if we are going to get a reply. There's a message coming. I want to open my WhatsApp to the particular. You see, this is the message that was sent. This is actually 1 a.m. You get, and my autoresponder has automatically replied. Okay, let me head over to my other phone and write the next reply, which was contact saved. Let's see if there is going to be a reply. Oh, okay. The chat is on, so there will be no notification. Let's get it done again. Contact saved. We come over here. You see, the reply has been sent already. When I sent at first, it did not come because the chat was open and there was no notification. Normally, notification has to enter so that the chatbot is going to read the notification and send a reply. That is it. So, in case you have worries, remember you can leave your comment and I'll reply you as soon as possible.
Thank you very much. If you have watched to this level, I'm certain that you have learned how to automate your WhatsApp messages. If you still have a doubt, please leave your doubt in the comment so that I will attend to you and help you out. If you're looking for topics like this, like WhatsApp marketing, digital marketing generally, making money online, real estate investment, and everything real estate, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I promise that I am going to be delivering value back to back. Make sure you subscribe. And if you want to claim your gift that I promised you at the start of this video, comment down, give me the gift. Give me the gift, and I'm going to send it to you. Please make sure you subscribe and then turn on notifications so that as soon as I drop any valuable video on this channel, you'll be one of the first persons that is going to see it and watch it. Also, don't forget to like it, of course. That is, if you actually like it. If you don't like it, feel free to comment down the things that you think I should do to improve on the quality of the value I'll be delivering to you from today henceforth. Until next time, keep charming your wealth. Bye.